Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to add your bank account into your Wise wallet or account. So, first of all guys, what I need you to do is go ahead and open your devices, either it is a phone or tablet or a PC like me. So if you have a phone, just go ahead and open your Wise application. If you are on PC, just go and search for Wise and the page shall be open just like so. Here we click on Wise, and if you don't have an account already, you can just click on register from here and create your account by putting here your email, then some information about you, and then your phone number. After that, they will send you the code, you will type it, and then your password. Or else you can skip all of that by logging in using your Gmail account, Facebook account, or Apple account. Or if you have an account already, you can just click on login and then open your account simply. Now, after you open an account, it will be something like that. Now, how you can actually add a credit card to your account? So if you come here, if you go to your settings, there will be nothing that give you this option. So even though in here, if you come in here, home card recipients, manage, earn, there will be nothing like that. So how we can actually add your bank account? First of all, what you need is get started. So after you're here, you click on it, you click on let's go, and then you will have these options: personal account or business account. Here you choose whatever it fits you the best. So for me, personal account, open. Here I must put every information that is necessary in order to be verified on Wise. So here I put my first name and middle name, legal ones. Here my last name, my legal date of birth, my legal country, home address, city, postal code. After doing that, they will ask you for verification. So they will ask you for license, driving license, or ID card, or your passport. So whatever you have, you send it to them, and then a face recognition picture. After that, they will review your account. Sorry guys. So yeah, what we were talking about. So after that, they will review your account and then you will be verified on them. Now what you'll have to do is, in here on this manage section, there will be another thing, which is adding a card. So from here you will be able to add your bank accounts, and yeah, that will be easy. Just put your informations and that's it. So yeah, that was it with today's video guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.